Hi guys, today we wanna do and solve interesting mathematical problem, and it is so actually useful and beautiful in my opinion. Why I say it is amazing and beautiful? Because it is the combination of some types of mathematics. It is at first the first type actually of that. It is limit of this expression, and the second type is the integral of this just numerator, not denominator. And the third type is derivative, that they will reach to that in the future, that we're going to do this question. So, and I should say the source of the question. The source of the question is for University of Science and Technology. And yeah, let's go and see how should we solve this problem. And so for solving this problem, at first I'm going to put 0 instead of x in numerator and denominator. Yeah, we will reach to this guy here. Integral 0 and put 0 instead of x. 8 multiplied by 0 to the power 3 is going to be again 0. Inverse sine root 3 t dt divided by sine 0 to the power 4, 0 to the power 4 is again 0, and we reach to sine 0. So, and the denominator is actually 0, the value of that. It is 0, and the denominator is 0 too, because we have the integrals rule, that is if the below and top actually values are the same, the value of that integral is that guy, that's actually number, and it is 0. So it is 0 here, we will reach to 0 over 0, that is not defined. So we can use Hopital method, and Hopital method is just for 0 over 0 or infinite over infinite, just for these guys. And if you reach to something like, for example, 0 multiplied by infinite, or infinite multiplied by infinite, we should you should actually make the expression to become something like this, and then we can use Hopital method. And here we reach to the 0 over 0, and we can use Hopital method. So for Hopital method, I can say that for numerator, we can use, wait, I write something, it's so important. For example, this is alpha, this is beta, and u x dx. Yeah, if we want Hopital from this guy, fine. Yeah. The Hopital of this guy will be this beta prime multiplied by u beta and minus alpha prime multiplied by u alpha. This is the Hopital of the integral. This is so important, and in my opinion, this guy is so important. The formula of that. Yeah, and this beta that we put instead of x, it means that we put the value of beta instead of the x in the expression. We will do this. And for sine, let me write it somewhere. Yeah, I will clean it. Sine x to the power 4 to the power 4 sine and u, it is to the power n. If we get Hopital form, that it is prime, we will reach to the n u prime sine n minus 1 u and cosine u. Yeah, we will reach to this guy, this here. So this is important for this question, and we will use it. So let me clean this and write the and continue the question. So we will get Hopital from numerator and denominator. Numerator will be the limit of. Let me write it down. This expression, and the Hopital of that, it will be 8 multiplied by 324 x to the power 2, and put the value in the expression. Inverse sine would be 8 x to the power 3 minus this guy, that is the 0. The Hopital of 0 is 0 again, and 0 multiplied by this will be 0, so we don't want to write anything. Minus 0, and the Hopital of this will be n, that is 1, and u prime it will be 4 x to the power 3. Yeah, and cosine x to the power 4 and x goes to 0, and we don't want sine x to the power 4 because it is n minus 1, that is here 1, and 1 minus 1 will be 0, and sine to the power 0 will be 1. So we will reach to this expression. Let's simplify a little bit. This guy x to the power 3 goes with this guy, and we will reach here with just 1 x to the power 1. And this guy 4 goes with this guy, and we will reach to 6. So it will be 6 inverse sine. Arc sine is that inverse sine. Forget to tell that, and yeah, and we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. And 2 to the power 3 multiplied by x to the power 3 will be 2x to the power 3. That this root 3 goes with the power 3. So we can just write 2x over x cosine x to the power 4 when x approaches to 0. And from here, again, the actually numerator and denominator are 0. So you can just Hopital, use the Hopital method again, but I prefer to use equations because it is approaching actually to the 0. X is approaching to the 0. We can use just equations. And here, and let me write it somewhere that those for me that I want to use. Is sine u when u approach 0 will be, it is approximately u. I'm using Taylor and it is Maclaurin formulas. And cosine and u and its power when u is approaching to 0 will be, it is approximately 1 minus n over 2 multiplied by u to the power 2. So we can just use them. And I should clean them because I want to write. So learn these things that I write, and so and the signings and actually inverse sine, the Taylor formula are the same in both of them. It means we can get and take out 2x from this. It will be 6 multiplied by 2x. Oh, I forgot to write the limits. Sorry. The limit of 6 multiplied by 2x over x multiplied by 1 over, actually 1 minus x to the power 8 over 2 factorial, that is 2 factorial, that is 2. And x approach to 0 again. And let me see, I don't have mistake. No, I don't think so. Yeah. So I just put 0 instead of x here to the 8 x to the power 8. It will become 0 and it will reach to this. 6 multiplied by 2, it will be 12. X over x multiplied by 1 will be x, and multiplied by 0 will be 0, that we don't want that. That is not useful for us. So, and these 2x goes with each other and we will reach to 12. It means that the limit of this expression when x approaches to the 0 here will be 12. Yeah. And this was the question of today, and it was interesting in my opinion. Thank you for your watch. Okay guys, this was the question of today. Thank you for your watching, and hope you like it, and hope that was useful for you. And actually, I think it was so amazing and useful because that's a question of University of Science and Technology, and it's not a bad question. It is, I think, so good. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos, and hit that bell that is next to the subscribe button for actually being the first one who is going to watch the video. And wish you guys the best things as always, and thank you for your watching again, and bye bye. The fire is showing. Hi guys, today we'll... Why, man? Turn off. Actually, next to the subscribe button, please like and subscribe our channel, and you're the first one. Okay guys. Hit that bell that is next to the okay guys, this was the question of today, and thank you for your watching, and hope you enjoy it, and actually hope you